Hey, so today we are hanging out in my kitchen and I am going to share with you one of my very favorite superfoods. So my name is Kim Wagner. I'm a registered nurse and health coach. And my favorite superfood is, okay, I can't turn this around. It's microgreens. See? So I'm not sure if you are familiar with what microgreens are or not, but I am going to tell you a little bit about them. After I had a stage 4 cancer diagnosis back in 2010, we were looking for ways to just get additional nutrition, right? Learning a lot of things. So my husband came across microgreens. And microgreens are similar to sprouts, but sprouts are grown in a water medium, and microgreens, as you can see right here, are grown in soil. So this happens to be broccoli, and broccoli is actually the most nutritious microgreen. It's 40 times more nutritious than the full-size plant. So these were planted, honey, when were these broccolis planted? A week ago? Yeah, I think a week ago. Yeah, okay, so these are 7 days old. And basically, this little guy right here, sorry, I thought my thing would flip. This tiny itty bitty little microgreen right here, you could pull it out by the roots, plant it, and it would turn into a full-size broccoli. So the reason why they're so nutrient dense is because this little microgreen has everything that it needs in it to grow into that full-size plant. So it's extremely, like I said, nutrient dense, full of nutrition. And it's really cool because this actually tastes like broccoli. And it is good, like for people that sometimes say, I actually just had someone tell me today that broccoli, it upsets your stomach. These don't do this. So how do we use them? Well, whenever I'm ready to use them, I just kind of take a little pinch off like this, cut it with my scissors, and I put it on anything. So I will put it in a smoothie. I'll put it on like some avocado toast or eggs, a burger, a wrap, soup. I had some carrot soup the other day at a friend's and brought some arugula microgreens to share. So the thing that I love about them is you can have fresh greens in your house in 6 to 7 days. Like I said, these are a week old. They are ready to consume right now. Just chop them off and eat them. And just for an example, for the broccoli microgreens, like I said, they're about 40 times more nutritious than the full-size plant. If you took just 2 ounces of these broccoli microgreens, they would be equivalent to eating 2 pounds of broccoli crowns. So again, tons of nutrition, a lot of flavor. They make things look really pretty if you're going for that aesthetic of making and being creative with your food. So we actually grow these just in the basement. So I like that too. They do not require a lot of space. You could do these in an apartment. You could do these, we have an 8-acre farm here, organic farm, and we still do this right here in the house. They don't take much care. Every couple days, I just run a little bit of water on the soil. And I am going to actually put a link for you to a kit that you can get your own little kit to make your own microgreens at home. So I thought you might appreciate that as well. But again, like I said, I love these. They're super nutrient dense. We use organic seeds. We don't use any chemicals in growing those. So when you get the kit, you actually are going to get all the instructions, everything that we use to grow ours, you're gonna have that as well. And so like broccoli is probably my favorite because it's the most nutritious, but we do also things like amaranth, a mild mix, a spicy mix, which is some mustards. We do beets, we do different herbs. So there's a lot of different varieties of microgreens that you can get. And yeah, so I just love these again for a way, especially coming into winter. Our garden's done for the year, so we're not going to be getting a bunch of fresh greens. So this is again a way to, in 5 to 6 days, 6 to 7 days, whatever, you have great fresh greens ready to go. super nutrient dense. And so like I said, I'm gonna put the link there for you to go ahead and get your own kit. I would love to see if you send me some pictures if you do your own greens and how you like them. All right, have a great day.